Welcome back to another video lecture on C programming language. In this video lecture, we are going to look at gets and puts in input and output. In the previous lecture, we were able to look at get char and put char. So this is different from get and put. So the previous lecture, we did the put char and the get char. And now, let's go ahead and look at gets. And the next one is puts. So these two we have also to be able to get the full sentence or the full ways that we wrote, unlike the get char and put char that we looked at previously. So let's go ahead and write a simple program and see how to use these two methods. So this is our code. Let's go ahead inside the main function and write a simple code. Let me say char string arrays of 100 characters for a semicolon at the end. And I will print this out and say printf. I will require input from the user and I'm going to say enter some values. So enter some values. So press semicolon at the end. Then I'm going to use the get function to get this gets. I press semicolon at the end. So I will use this to accept the values from the user and then to print out the values on the screen or on the console. I'm going to use the puts. So printf, I'll say your results is what the user just inserted. So press semicolon at the end, and I'm going to use puts. So in the puts, I'm going to add this string array str and press semicolon at the end. So now I want this to be in the next line. What I need to do is I'm going to put this right here. So this escape character will move this to the next line, else they will all be in the same line. Alright, now we have done this. Let's go ahead and run this code and check this out. So I got a simple error. So the get, I have to insert the str right here, the string, and that is all. So just like I did here, just insert this so that whatever you write and is held inside here will be transferred to the puts. So run this code and check it out. So enter some values. I'm going to say this is you and hit enter. Your result is this is you. Alright, so you can see that. Let's run the code one more time and check that out. Hello world. And hit enter. Your result is hello world. So whatever you input into the system is given out to you fully. Unlike in the previous lecture where we looked at the put char and the get char, that helps us to get just a single character out of our sentences or out of the words that we've just written. So this helps you to get the entire result back. Alright, so this is different between the get char and get and put char and puts for the input and output in C programming language. So we're going to look more into the input and output in C programming language. So for the meantime, pull this down on your own system and try it out. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.